If you'd like to learn about a simple process to help you get a lawn like this, then keep watching. Your neighbors probably aren't doing it, which gives you the advantage. It helps improve water retention, nutrient availability, and also helps stimulate microbial activity, all of which lead to greener grass. Let's get started. So the simple process that has all these benefits for your grass is called aerating your lawn. Now, core aeration is a mechanical process that involves removing small plugs from the soil that helps to open up the lawn. If your lawn happens to be compacted, core aeration is a great idea since all the voids that we're creating from this process gives the existing lawn a place to relax into. It's a great way to relieve compaction. Now, to core aerate your lawn, you're gonna need a specialized piece of equipment that's called you guessed it, a core aerator. Now, you can get these usually at your local equipment rental or at one of the big box stores. Now, once you get your core aerator home, I don't want you to take it out and fire it up and get out there and start core aerating right away. There's 4 tips I want to share with you that are going to help you get the best result. Number 1, if possible, water your lawn the day before you plan to core aerate. This is going to soften the soil, allowing the tines to penetrate deeper. Number 2, mark any irrigation heads or anything else that you don't want to run over with the core aerator. Remember, this is a pretty heavy piece of equipment that can easily damage things in your lawn if you're not careful. Number 3, we don't know where this core aerator's been, so be sure to rinse the tines off before you put it on your lawn. This is going to help prevent spreading disease and weeds into your lawn. And number 4, lawn aeration is physically demanding, so be sure to wear the proper shoes and gloves for safety. With all the foundational knowledge and tips out of the way, let's get to the process of actually aerating the lawn. Now, you can do your passes in a straight line back and forth as you see me doing here, but constantly turning the aerator this way isn't much fun. It takes more effort and it slows you down. The method I prefer is to make passes in overlapping ovals around the lawn. This method allows you to keep the aerator moving the entire time as you go fast and turn left. You'll slightly overlap on each pass as you cover the entire lawn. This helps reduce the number of times you have to stop, helping you get through the process faster. Now, when it comes to aerating any slope sections of your lawn, there's a couple of things you're going to want to keep in mind. Obviously, you want to avoid running the aerator in any orientation that might cause you to lose control over it, causing it to tip over. I find that running the aerator in a diagonal pattern or very slowly working up and down the slope allows you to get a good result while maintaining good control of the machine. With that out of the way, before we get to that, one quick thing. To pick up cores or not to pick up cores? That often is the question. Now, if your cores look like this, where they are largely sandy in nature, I don't see a ton of reason to pick them up. They break down really quickly once they dry out, and it's free organic material that goes back into the soil. If you have more of a clay soil, where the cores tend to get harder as they dry out, that might be a situation where you might want to pick them up. Just like most things in life, the best answer is, it depends. With the lawn aerated, now's a great time to fertilize or add biostimulants like Essential G. These products need to get into the soil to work, so applying them after aeration helps speed up the process. If you're planning to top dress, now would also be a great time since aeration helps the top dressing integrate faster with the existing soil. Well, there you have it. Some easy tips and tricks on how to get a great result when aerating your lawn. If you'd like to see how aerating fits into a bigger process for leveling and smoothing out a lawn to get that golf course lawn look, I have a video on the screen here for you to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.